We're rolling. Alright, hello and welcome. Here is a horizontal langstroth hive. We built this together, and it's basically 3 deeps horizontal. 1, 2, 3. Instead of 1, 2, 3, it's 1, 2, 3. And I built it completely from scratch, looking at other people's plans and taking measurements here and there, and I just kind of like put it together. I don't know what I spent. Maybe I spent $100 on all the parts and everything. I got most of them from like Lowe's and Home Depot, and so let's take a look at this. Here's the top. It's super long, the telescoping top. I got 2 sheets of aluminum, and I glued them and sealed them tight, right? And I just glued it to the top. There's no nails holding the aluminum on. It's just glued on, and it's good glue though, Gorilla Glue. So I'll take this off first. All right, you can see quality, baby, quality, right? Nice and heavy, strong. Let me put this over here. Right. Now you can see I got here's my inner covers, standard inner covers, right? 1, 2, 3. And the entrance will be right here. There's the landing board for the bees. The girls will go in right there. And then it'll be 30 frames. 30 frames that way, right? And what's so great about it, when I talk to other people who have horizontal hives, is that they'll stay in, most of the brood will stay in the first 10 frames, and then that'll be honey, 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 all the way back. So I can take this guy off, just to show you what it looks like inside. There's my inner covers coming off. Bam. And then you can see here's a regular frame. You can get a little closer if you'd like. So here's a regular deep frame, and it goes down. There's a gap right here. Here is the hardware cloth. I got this from a place in Philly, J. Darby and Sons. Man, they have all kinds of hardware cloth. This is actually number 7. Most bee supplies online sell number 8, which is fine, but it's a little bit too small for the small hive beetles to drop through. So my thought was, well, let's go up a little bit bigger so that the small hive beetles will drop through, and the mites, of course. And that fits in there nice. So this will go all the way back and forth. Hello. I also made a what do you call this? Division board? I think it's what it's called. The division board. If I don't want to put all the 30 frames in there, I can just adjust how long and how much, I want the hive to be. And I don't want them to go past that, so I'll just put it right here. I just made that myself right on. This is a standard frame. Hold on. So the girls will go in there, right? And there's a little landing board. If I spin it around, and I like how I did that. The groove right here, I did it with a table saw. And I didn't even use a dado bit. I just used a regular plain old blade. I just laid it on its side, cut it that way, and then I turn it up on its edge and turn it that way. So on the back of it, hold on. Underneath the hardware cloth, I put a little piece of a 1/4 inch thick. Here he goes. This board right there, right? You can see that it's real thin. So this under here is where I'll put the oil trays, to catch the mites and the small hive beetles. Catch them buggers. Yeah, man, there it is. I gotta paint it now. That's the only thing I gotta do is paint it. And then I haven't decided whether to put legs on it. I probably will, because 4 pieces of wood is cheaper than I thought of. The other way is there's an Australian guy, Scott. That's you. He put his on sawhorses. Is that what they're called? They're called sawhorses. Yeah, sawhorses. That's neat. Maybe I'll do that, but I don't have to buy any more wood. I have scrap pieces of wood over there. I'll just make 4 legs and screw them on, and bam, there you go. Check it out. I did it.